small town called Tezpur. Have you heard of Tezpur? I guess not. Check the Indian map to know where Tezpur is. Anyways, I have learned 2 things in the sessions of Empathy the Top Tips. They are, number 1, I believe that people should practice empathy to make everyone's life better. And number 2, we have to communicate to know others' feelings and share our feelings. And based on those 2 sentences, I've made a poster. Here it is. This is a girl who is shy and was sitting alone in a bench. And this is a friendly girl who came and sat with her and started talking. So, they both are practicing empathy. I hope you like the poster and I hope to meet you in the alumni meet. So, bye for now.
My name is Ajay and I am 11 years old. I am very happy to attend the workshop. Didi, you are so good. You have teachers so many different types of emotions and understand us different types of problem and how to handle it. Thank you for it.
Hi, I'm Aditya and I'm 11 years old. I like to play with Lego and read books. I also like to play the piano. I believe that everyone should be treated with dignity and respect. And now I shall help people around me understand better about disability and I shall try to revisit these concepts in future. Thank you.
My name is Sanket. I am 10 years old. मुझे इस वर्कशॉप से ये सीखने मिला कि जो प्रॉब्लम है उसकी प्रॉब्लम समझ के उसको समझाना चाहिए और उसकी मदद करना चाहिए.
Hello everyone. My name is Shakshan Sharma. I am 8 years old and I am in 4th B. I am telling you about being different is being okay. Here are some points about being different is being okay. First point is, I believe that being different is wrong, but now I believe being different is okay.
Hello, I'm Virat and I'm 8 years old. I believe that there is a difference between facts and opinion. Opinion is not complete truth and it is based on a person's judgment. Now I try to find if what I am thinking or saying is a fact or opinion. I collect more information from different sources before believing it.
मेरा नाम रतन है. मैं 12 साल का हूँ. मुझे जिस दीदी ने वर्कशॉप के बारे में सिखाया है तो मैं उस वर्कशॉप को एक दूसरे की हेल्प करने के लिए यूज करूँगा.
Hi, I'm Vidma and I'm 10 years old. I used to believe that learning never stops for an expert. Now I believe for learning to never stop, you should keep on researching and inquiring.
My name is Anurag. I am 10 years old. मुझे वर्कशॉप अटेंड करके बहुत अच्छा लगा और मुझे वर्कशॉप में ये सीखने के ये मिला कि अगर कोई परेशान हो तो उसकी परेशानी समझ के उसे समझाना चाहिए.